Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by enabling the tool pack and preparing clean data so calculations are reliable. Open Excel, enable Analysis Tool Pack and Add-ins. This unlocks functions like regression and histograms. Next, inspect headers and remove blank rows. Consistent number formatting prevents errors when you run tools. Once done, convert the range to a table to preserve references as you proceed. Make sure columns are named clearly. This saves time when choosing input ranges in the analysis dialog. You now run the chosen analysis directly from Data Analysis. Pick the tool you need. For quick summaries, use descriptive statistics. For relationships, choose regression. For distributions, pick histogram. Then set the input range and toggle labels if you included headers. Choose an output range or new worksheet ply so results don't overwrite data. For regression, request residuals and confidence level to diagnose fit. Make sure to inspect output sections sequentially. They guide your interpretation and next steps. You finish by interpreting numbers and creating visuals to communicate findings. Look for p-values under your alpha, meaningful R-squared, and large standardized residuals that flag issues. Add comments next to critical cells. Then make charts, scatter plots with trend lines for regressions, histograms for distributions, so patterns are visible at a glance. If results seem wrong, check input ranges, remove stray text in numeric cells, and ensure you checked labels when using headers. This fix resolves most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.